All right, everybody, what are we looking to trade today? Well, something I don't usually trade that often, but came on my radar. Take a look at this. AMD up $2.30. AMD right now has been doing nothing but sliding to the downside. Now, the interesting thing in AMD, or really not the interesting thing, what you would expect is call skew in AMD. What is call skew? Call skew is equal distance away from the money. Call trading more expensive than an equal distance away put. Let me demonstrate to you. Let's just call the stock around $200. If I go $40 lower to the 15-ish delta, 15-ish delta option, the 160 put is trading for around $3.50. We're just rounding here amongst friends. If I go $40 higher to say the 250s, which is actually $48 higher, that's trading for around $4. So there's a lot of call skew here. I'm able to go further out of the money, and you'll notice that the delta, even though it's further out of the money, the delta is higher on the call. That, again, is call skew. So I'm going to go equal distance away. A lot of times people will ask equal distance away, I mean by price, by delta on these, 14 delta, 13 delta. And I'm also able to go outside the expected move. This dotted line is the expected move. You'll notice my break even is below 155, and my break even on this one is above 265 on this total spread. I'm using about $2,000 in buying power. It's got less than one delta. We'll call it zero delta. The P50 or the percentage to make the 50% on this whole spread, which would be around $3.15, I got filled at $3.40, is about 90%. The pop, or probably the profit of making at least a penny on this trade, is 77%. I already have that, so that's come to fruition. But look at this spread. It's outside the expected move. We have relatively high implied volatility. I'm getting, even though the stock has been beaten up, the calls are out of the money are a lot further out of the money, so I got a little bit of cushion there if the stock were to rebound a little bit, because I originally wanted to do something on the put side here because I was slightly bullish in AMD, but I'm going to play it right down the middle here. Got filled at $6.40. For those curve view freaks who want to take a look at the curve view, you can see this trade by just clicking the curve view. There it is for you on a graph. You'll notice there's those dotted lines that I talked about, one standard deviation. These would be two standard deviation lines here. You'll notice I'm just outside there. There's the put that I'm short. There's the call that I'm short. That's where the stock is. And there is your big green margin where you make money. Obviously, you lose money outside of that. Go back to the table view for those who like that. That's the way I like to look at it, but you can look at it any way you want. That's my trade for today. And if you want to see this trade in real time, like basically when I put it on, just click on those little people head there and go to the follow page. And when you click on the follow page, you'll see the bats. And you'll notice that I put this trade on AMD at 10.08 when the stock was right here about 10 cents ago, maybe 20 cents ago. I got filled at $6.40. I put on here that option trade today. Why delta neutral strangle outside the expected move, and that's exactly what I did. Now, what do I want you to do? I want you to open, move, transfer, bring your account to Tasty Trade, the #1 brokerage firm in the whole galaxy.